Top 3 best power supplies for gaming PCs. What's the point of building the most powerful gaming PC if your power supply can't keep up? Think about it, every frame, every performance spike, every upgrade depends on one thing: stable, clean power. The right PSU isn't just another box in your case, it's the heart that keeps your gaming system alive. So today, let's look at the top 3 best power supplies for gaming PCs, what makes them stand out, their trade-offs, and which one fits your build best. Number 3. Cooler Master MWE Gold 850V3. If you're planning to upgrade or already running a high-end GPU, this one deserves your attention. The MWE Gold 850 delivers consistent power with high efficiency and rock-solid stability. It's built for gamers who push their systems heavy, multitasking, overclocking, or streaming while gaming. The advantage: it offers 80 Plus Gold certification, meaning you get more power where it matters and less wasted as heat. It's fully modular too, which means cleaner builds and easier cable management. The trade-off: it's not the quiet standard full load, and the styling is basic compared to flashier models. The ideal user, a gamer who values performance and upgrade potential over aesthetics and wants a reliable foundation for future hardware. Number 2. Be Quiet Dark Power 13750W. This one's for the perfectionists, who care as much about silence as performance. True to its name, the Dark Power line is engineered for minimal noise without sacrificing quality. Inside, you'll find top-tier components, efficient cooling, and extremely stable voltage regulation. The advantage: near-silent operation even under load, long lifespan, and an incredible build quality that feels premium from the moment you unbox it. The downside: it's more expensive than most 750-watt units, and unless you truly value quiet operation, you might not use all of its premium features. The ideal user, a gamer or creator who works in quiet environments, wants stability and silence and is willing to pay for high-end craftsmanship. Number 1. Corsair RM750X Shift. Topping the list is a modern powerhouse that blends efficiency, performance, and usability. The RM750X Shift brings a clever design twist. The modular cable connections are on the side, not the back, making cable management far easier in today's compact cases. It's 80 Plus Gold certified, fully modular, and designed for clean airflow and long-term reliability. The advantage: whisper quiet operation, exceptional voltage stability, and top-tier protection features. It's strong enough for any single GPU setup and still has headroom for upgrades. The only drawback: if you have a smaller case, the side connectors might need careful positioning. But overall, this is the sweet spot for most gaming builds: power, performance, and reliability in perfect balance. The ideal user, a serious gamer who wants dependable power, clean cable routing, and long-lasting value. Now, how do you know which one's right for you? If you're building a high-performance system and want plenty of wattage for future upgrades, go with Cooler Master. If your goal is a silent, refined setup with premium engineering, Be Quiet is your best bet. But if you want all-around excellence, reliable, efficient, and easy to install, Corsair's RM750X Shift is the winner. Before you make your choice, keep this in mind: a power supply isn't about sheer wattage, it's about quality. Go for at least 80 Plus Gold efficiency or better. That means less energy wasted, cooler operation, and longer lifespan. Also, look for units with Japanese capacitors, strong voltage regulation, and full protection circuits like overvoltage and short circuit protection. And don't forget cable management modular power supplies. Make your build cleaner, cooler, and easier to upgrade later. Here's a quick guide. If you're running a mid-range setup with a single GPU like an RTX 4070 or similar, 650 to 750 watts is ideal. If you're aiming for something more demanding like an RTX 4090 or heavy overclocking 850 watts or more, gives you extra breathing room. But always buy from trusted brands with long warranties. It's not worth saving a few dollars on the one part that powers everything else. A great PSU won't boost your frame rates directly, but it will keep your system stable, your components safe, and your build quiet and efficient. It's the foundation of every great gaming rig, the silent partner behind every win, every live stream, and every late night session. So, choose smart. Power your PC with confidence and let your next gaming session run smoother than ever. And don't forget to check the description for tools and helpful links that can make things easier for you. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more.